In today's video, we're diving into a full unboxing and hands-on review of the FiTCAMX OEM-style front and rear dashcam designed with original fitting for a wide range of car makes and models. This plug-and-play dashcam blends seamlessly with your car's interior without bulging out or obstructing your view. If you've been looking for a discreet, high-performance dashcam setup that installs without cutting wires or modifying your car, this might just be it. In this video, I'll walk you through everything from unboxing and installation to app features and real-world video performance. Whether you're just dashcam curious or seriously considering a purchase, stick around. This is a deep dive you don't want to miss.
Hey friends, I'm Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews.
Alright, before we jump into the unboxing, let me quickly walk you through the key features and specifications of this original fit dashcam from FiTCAMX. FiTCAMX is one of the most trusted dashcam brands on the market today. If you check out their listings on Amazon, you'll find thousands of positive customer reviews and ratings as high as 4.8 out of 5. Clearly, it's a brand people trust and love. What really sets this dashcam apart is its OEM-style original fitting. Unlike traditional dashcams that stick to your windshield and often look bulky or block your view, this one is designed to blend seamlessly with your car's interior, just as if it came factory installed. FiTCAMX currently offers these original fit dashcams for over 320 different car models and brands, making it one of the most widely supported OEM-style solutions out there. The front camera captures in 4K resolution with an 8-megapixel sensor featuring a large f1.6 aperture lens for excellent low light performance. It records at 2160p at 30 frames per second with a wide 170 degrees angle field of view. The rear view camera records in full HD 1080p with 2-megapixel sensor and a 140 degrees wide angle lens, great for covering blind spots and the rear view. It's a true plug-and-play device. You can easily install it yourself. No wire cutting, no splicing, no complex steps. And I'll walk you through the full installation process on my car later in this video. It also features a built-in G sensor, which automatically detects sudden impacts or collisions and locks the relevant video footage to prevent it from being overwritten. It's essential for preserving evidence in the event of an accident. The loop recording function ensures that your memory card never runs out of space. It continuously records by automatically overwriting the oldest footage once the card is full. The dashcam automatically powers on when the car starts and shuts off when the car is turned off and locked, helping you to conserve your car's battery. And finally, you can access and manage your dashcam through the FiTCAMX mobile app, available for both iPhone as well as Android mobiles. From the app, you can adjust settings, view live footage, or even download and share recorded videos directly to your phone. Now let's do a quick unboxing to check out the contents in the box, and then I will take this out to my car, install it, and show you all the different functions and features of this new FiTCAMX OEM-style original fit dashcams. So keep watching, guys. Alright friends, so this is all you get inside the box. So as you can see, quite a lot of things. So let's start off with, so this is a user manual or a user guide. You've got the warranty or the support card. So that's the documentation. What else do you have? So you've got some wiring. Now this is the wire that basically connects with the dashcam, and I'll show you how to connect this later on. These are some tools to do the wiring inside the car. Probably use this as well. Some more accessories to kind of connect. This is for the rear view camera. So double-sided tapes. You've got this is an adapter to convert your SD card. So connect your SD card and then connect it with your computer. There you go. So all these cables. Then you get, this is the rear view camera. So you get some more accessories inside the camera. Now let me open it. So this is the full HD rear view camera that you can connect it. I'll show you how to set this up in the car later on. You can see, so this is the cable, and it's a very long wire, so it should fit in any size of a car or even an SUV. So this is how you connect it with the windshield at the back, so the back screen, and this connects with the camera. So I'll set it up while we take this out in the car, and you can see there are more accessories inside this. Then you get CPL filters. This is you need to connect it or set it up or on top of the camera, and this would avoid getting reflections while you record it. So this is one of the CPL filters. This one is for the rear camera, and I'll show you how to connect this. So when you're setting it up, this is your rear view camera, and you just need to put it on top of it like this, right? And this would avoid getting any shades or shadows or reflection when the camera is recording. And you get two of these. So this is for the rear view camera, and the other one is for the main dash cam, right? So let's put this on the side. Now this is the main attraction, the FiTCAMX dash cam, and this is the front dash cam, of course, and it comes in original fitting. Now I've got a Kia Sorento, so the one I've ordered is a Kia Sorento original fit setup, and as you can see, it's exactly as the original fitting, and I'll show you how the original fitting looks when I take it in the car, but you just need to connect it with the setup. You have the camera lens here. On the left side of the camera lens is the slot for the SD memory card, the memory card, and there is already a memory card, 128 GB memory card installed. So that's a very nice gift to have. So you get the camera, and then you have some buttons, so power button and the picture button, and then inside you've got these cables. Now this is where you actually connect the rear view camera if you want to connect it. If you don't want to connect it, you can leave it like that. And this is the power cable, so you connect this like this, and the other one connects with the small slot in the car, and I'll show you when I'm setting this up. So the installation, extremely easy, simple. It's as you can see, it's a plug and play device. You don't really need any sort of professional installation for this. You can do this yourself. So very easy to do that. Just wanted to give you a view of this device before I start installing it in the car. And then, if you're installing your rear view camera, you just need this small tool to basically hide the wire, the cable, on the side panels of the car. So you can attach this at the back screen, and then just this entire cable, use this to hide it on the side panels of the car, and then bring this all the way to the front and connect it with this wire. So I just wanted to tell you that the installation is extremely easy, straightforward. It's a plug and play device. You don't really need any serious installation experience with this. So this is kind of all we get inside the box. And what I'll do now is basically take this out to the car, and then start installing. First I'll install the front camera, and then I will install the rear view camera, and then we start testing the overall performance, the footage, the mobile app, and rest of the things. So keep watching, guys. All right, friends, so I'm in my car, and this is the setup. This is the original setup that I have. This setup does not have a dashcam installed, and that's why I'm installing it today. So as you can see, this is how it looks. Exactly the same as the FiTCAMX device. What we'll do is now I'll remove this entire thing and then install the other one, and what I'll do is, in terms of the wiring for the rear view camera, I'll take it through this panel, just hide it in this panel, and all the way, hide it on the side panels as well, and take the cable all the way back to the rear screen, and then attach it at the top of that. So that's the plan. The first thing I'll do is start removing this thing, and it's very easy. There are no screws. So for example, just like this, it comes off. Just need to apply a bit of force on the sides. There you go. So easy, quick, comes off. And then this is how it looks. Let me just take this down. So there's no camera setup right now. All right, so the next step is that you can see, at least this is the setup in my car, Kia Sorento, but might look different for your car. So when you're ordering it, you will get all the details and instructions on how to set it up in your car. So in my car, you can see this is the box for the lane keep assist setup. What we need to do is, this is where the power is going, so we have to remove this. There you go, so removed. And then if you remember, this is what came inside the box. So we will connect this end with this setup like this. I'm just using one hand to set it and the other hand holding the camera, but just wanted to show you this is how it sets up, and this is the power that goes into the dash cam, and this goes also into the dash cam setup. So let me quickly do the wiring and then I'll show you the next steps. All right, so I've done the wiring. You can see this is the new additional wire that I've connected, and it comes with this side bracket. Now this plug goes into the dash cam, which will give power, and the remaining setup remains the same. So no change in the original setup. So now let me connect this with the dash cam and then set up the entire box back, and then I'll show you how it looks. All right, so I've connected the box, I've connected the cables. As you can see, this is the new FiTCAMX fitting, exactly the same as my original Kia Sorento fitting. The only change in it is this additional front cam. It looks quite nice. And again, the nice thing about this is it blends in, right? It fits the original setup. You don't really have to connect an external dash cam on the windshield like most of the other ones in the market today. So original fitting fits very nicely. Just put a bit of force on the sides and it goes in. No screw, no connections of any sort, very straightforward. What I've also done is connected the rear view camera. Now the next step for me is basically taking this cable and putting it or hiding it on the side panels and connecting it all the way back to the back screen. And then I will set this up on the mobile app and I'll show you how it looks. All right, friends, so as you can see, this setup is all done. I've connected the rear view camera with the windshield at the back. Did all the wiring. It was pretty straightforward and easy. And put it on the side panel. As you can see, it's all hidden all the way to the front. So there's no cable, no wiring outside except for right at the back, where obviously I don't have any other option. The other option was to take this all the way in and from inside the car, bring it up from this, which I don't want to do it. So I'm good with this setup. All right, so I've set up the camera. The installation was quite straightforward, very easy. You don't really need any professional help. I've installed it myself. Looks very, very clean setup. The front cam, you don't even notice the cam because it's the original fit. So it's not one of those, cameras that connect to your windshield. It's one of the OEM's original style that you don't really see. And the other bit is the rear view camera. Very easy to install. Again, you don't need to cut any wires, or you don't need to do any professional, you don't need any professional help to install it. So quite straightforward. And once you install it, you can access the footage and do all the settings and stuff with the FiTCAMX application. And what I'll do now is just take you through the app. So very quickly, you just need to make sure that you're connected with the camera. So when you're sitting in the car on the Wi-Fi, just go and look for this car cam signal on your Wi-Fi, connected. It might ask for a password, and the password is 1 through 8. And once it's connected, you just go to the app. It's called FiTCAMX. It looks like this, and it's available for both iPhone as well as Android mobile. So this is the main page. This is the main first entry page. Click on the connect camera, and then it will take a second or two to have the connection established. Now obviously my car is parked within the garage, so you won't be able to see a lot of footage, but it takes a second for it to set it up. So this is the live footage. So you've got the front cam and the rear view camera, and you can change the view. So this is switched, and then this is only front, and then this is only the rear view. So you can play around with this. As you can see, the recording is already on. Recording stays on all the time. So very quickly give you an overview and a tour of the different options available on the app. So as I said, on the top you've got the footage. You can get the same if you change the mobile view. You'll get this on the landscape as well as the portrait view. So you've got option of recording. These two buttons in the middle, either you can have the video recording or you can take pictures as well. Right at the bottom on the right side, you've got the camera settings. So once you click on the camera settings, you have all these settings available to you. You can set sound recording as well. So when the video is recorded, you'll also get the sound recorded at the same time. And the next and more important is the video resolution, and this is set at 4K 2160p. If you want to bring it down, you can do that at 2K as well. You don't have many options with the resolution, so you can either have 2K or 4K. And then loop recording option. So I've set it up to 3 minutes. So every video file that gets recorded is a 3-minute video. You can obviously change it to 1 minute. Exposure, I've set it to flat, but you can increase it if you want. There is a time setup. Sorry, let me go back. So there is timestamp. I've switched it on. You can switch it off. Driving, collision sensing, medium sensitivity. You can change that to low or high. Same for parking monitoring, collision detection. You can set it to low, medium, or high. I've set it up to medium. You've got the Wi-Fi, password, the firmware, and finally you can reset the SD or the memory card which comes with the front cam, or factory reset the settings. So not a lot of setting options available to you on the camera. Now this is all the settings available. Going back, this is the main page. You click on the camera file, and then this is where you would get all the recorded footage which you can go through. So you can see this is what I've been testing this for a few days, and this is what you have. All the recorded footage is available for you to watch, and then also download it on your computer or on your phone. So all these different sections, parking, log snapshot, loop recording, see a lot of files, and I've set it up to 3 minutes, and that's why every file is a 3-minute file. But again, this would get refreshed. So whenever the card is full, the oldest footage gets deleted, and then that makes space for a new one. So that's it, friends. This was a very quick review of this very nice front and rear cam from FiTCAMX. Everything worked amazingly well. I'm super happy with overall result. One, the installation is very easy. It's a plug and play device. You don't really have to spend more money to get it installed professionally. You can do it yourself. The mobile app, very easy to use, straightforward. You can view the footage on the mobile phone itself or transfer it to your laptops. So all in all, very happy with the entire setup, very happy with the result and the clarity we're getting on both the cameras. If you're looking for a dash cam which doesn't need any connection on or fixing on the windshield to block your view, if you're looking for an original fit kind of a setup, I would highly recommend this FiTCAMX dashcam setup. So if you like this and you want to buy one, simply go to the link in the description of the video. It will take you directly to the official store where you can buy this FiTCAMX original fit front and rear dash cam. That's it, friends. If you like my content, you can go and support this channel with the super thanks icon below. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click on that bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, guys.